Appointment. An appointment is a scheduled time to meet or visit someone, such as a doctor, dentist, or business associate. It is an agreement between two or more people to meet at a specific time and place for a specific purpose, such as a meeting or consultation. Appointments can be made for a variety of reasons and are often necessary to ensure that the person or service you want to see is available and ready to assist you at a specific time. Bleed. Bleed means to lose blood from a wound or injury, or to release blood from the body through a natural process, such as menstruation. It can also refer to something that has color fading or spreading beyond its intended area, such as ink on paper bleeding through to the other side. Additionally, it can be used figuratively to describe a situation where money or resources are being lost quickly and continuously. Break. The word break can have different meanings. One meaning of break is to take a rest or pause during a workout or exercise routine. For example, if you're doing a set of push-ups, you may need to take a break between sets to catch your breath and rest your muscles. Another meaning of break in the context of exercise is to experience an injury or damage to a bone or joint. For example, you might hear someone say they have a broken leg or a broken arm as a result of an exercise or sports injury. But, in general, break can refer to a pause or interruption in a routine or activity. Breath. Breath refers to the process of inhaling and exhaling air through the nose and mouth. It is an essential component of physical activity, as the body requires oxygen to produce energy and eliminate waste. Breathing is controlled by the diaphragm and the muscles between the ribs, and it can be improved through regular exercise and proper breathing techniques. Inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly can help to increase lung capacity, reduce stress, and improve overall health and fitness. Check. Check refers to the act of monitoring or examining something related to one's health or physical fitness. This could include checking one's heart rate, blood pressure, or weight, or checking for any physical injuries or conditions that may affect one's ability to exercise safely. Checking may also refer to assessing progress or goals in a fitness or exercise routine, such as checking for improvements in endurance, strength, or flexibility over time. Clean. Clean means to maintain good hygiene practices, particularly related to exercise equipment, facilities, and personal belongings. It includes wiping down equipment after use, showering and changing clothes after exercising, and laundering workout clothes regularly. A clean environment is important to prevent the spread of germs and bacteria and to promote good health and safety in fitness facilities. Additionally, clean eating is a term used to describe a diet that emphasizes whole, minimally processed foods and limits or avoids processed and refined foods. Damage. Damage means harm caused to the body by excessive or inappropriate physical activity. When you engage in physical activities like exercise, you put stress on your body, which is normal and healthy. However, if the stress is too much, or if you don't give your body enough time to recover between sessions, it can lead to damage to your muscles, bones, and other tissues. This damage can cause pain, swelling, and reduced function, and can even lead to long-term injuries if not addressed properly. It's important to engage in physical activity in a safe and appropriate manner to avoid damage to your body. Dangerous. This means that something has the potential to cause harm, injury, or pose a threat to one's safety during physical activity. For example, participating in certain extreme sports or exercises without proper training or safety precautions can be dangerous. Similarly, using exercise equipment improperly or lifting weights beyond one's capacity can also be dangerous. It is important to understand and acknowledge potential dangers associated with physical activities and take necessary precautions to avoid injury or harm. Die. This means that a person's body has stopped working and they are no longer alive. In the context of health and exercise, the word diet is often used to emphasize the importance of taking care of one's body and avoiding behaviors or situations that can lead to serious injury or death. For example, someone might say if you don't wear a helmet while riding your bike, you could die if you get into an accident. It is important to take safety precautions and make healthy choices to reduce the risk of serious injury or death during physical activity. Diet: the kinds of food that a person, animal, or community habitually eats. It can also be a special course of food to which a person restricts themselves, either to lose weight or for medical reasons. Emergency: an emergency is a sudden and serious situation that requires immediate action to prevent harm to oneself or others. Examples of health emergencies include heart attacks, severe allergic reactions, strokes, and injuries that cause severe bleeding or unconsciousness. When an emergency occurs, it is important to quickly call for medical help or, if necessary, to take immediate action to perform first aid to stabilize the person until professional help arrives. Feel better. Feel better refers to the improvement of physical or emotional well-being. The phrase can also refer to an improvement in mood or emotional state, such as feeling less anxious or depressed. Feel ill. Feel ill means to experience symptoms or sensations in your body that indicate you are not in good health. These symptoms can be physical or mental and may include things like pain, nausea, weakness, dizziness, and fatigue. Feeling ill can be caused by various factors such as illness, injury, stress, or lack of sleep. It is important to take care of yourself and seek medical attention if you are experiencing prolonged or severe symptoms of feeling ill. Feel sick? Feel sick is a phrase used to describe a feeling of nausea or the sensation of needing to vomit. It can be used to refer to a variety of causes such as a stomach virus, motion sickness, food poisoning, or even anxiety. It is a common symptom of illness or discomfort and can be accompanied by other symptoms such as dizziness, fatigue, or fever. Fever refers to an increase in body temperature, usually above the normal range of 97.7 to 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit. A fever is typically a sign that your body is fighting off an infection or other health issue. Some common symptoms of a fever include sweating, shivering, headache, muscle aches, and fatigue. It's important to monitor your temperature and seek medical attention if your fever reaches a certain level or lasts for an extended period of time. Get better. This means to recover or to improve one's health or physical condition. This can happen naturally as the body heals itself, or it may require medical treatment or other interventions such as rest, exercise, or changes in diet. Getting better often involves taking care of oneself by following a healthy lifestyle and seeking the necessary medical attention or support when needed. Get worse. Get worse is a phrase used to describe a situation in which a person's health or condition declines or deteriorates over time. It means that the person's symptoms or problems are becoming more severe, and they may need additional medical attention or treatment to help them recover. For example, if someone has a cold and their symptoms start to worsen, they may need to see a doctor for medication or other interventions to help them feel better. It's important to monitor any changes in symptoms or health status and seek medical help if necessary to prevent the situation from getting worse. Go jogging. Go jogging means to run at a slow and steady pace for exercise or fitness. It usually involves running outdoors in a park, on a track, or on a trail. Jogging is a form of aerobic exercise that can help improve cardiovascular health, strengthen muscles, and increase endurance. It is a low-impact activity that is often recommended for beginners who want to start a fitness routine. To go jogging, you typically need comfortable athletic clothing and shoes, and you should start with a warm-up and stretch before beginning your run. Here, this means to perceive sound through the ear. Hurt. Hurt means to experience pain or discomfort in a particular part of your body. This could be due to an injury, strain, or overexertion of the muscles during exercise. It is important to listen to your body and stop any activity that causes pain or discomfort in order to prevent further injury. Additionally, seeking medical attention or consulting a healthcare professional may be necessary if the pain persists or worsens. Ill. Ill is an adjective that refers to a person who is suffering from a disease or sickness. If someone is ill, they are experiencing symptoms that can include pain, discomfort, weakness, and fever. Illness. The term illness refers to a physical or mental condition that disrupts the normal functioning of the body or mind, causing discomfort, pain, or distress. Illness can be caused by a variety of factors, such as infection, injury, genetic abnormalities, and environmental factors. Some examples of illnesses include the common cold, flu, asthma, diabetes, cancer, and depression. Treatment for illness may include medication, lifestyle changes, surgery, or other medical interventions depending on the type and severity of the condition. Injure. To injure means to harm or damage your body, usually as a result of an accident or physical activity. In the context of health and exercise, it refers to the act of causing physical harm or damage to your body, often by overexerting yourself or engaging in activities that carry a higher risk of injury. Injuries can range from minor sprains and strains to more severe injuries such as broken bones or torn ligaments, and can occur during sports, exercise, or other physical activities. It is important to take precautions and use proper techniques to avoid injury during exercise and other physical activities. Keep fit. Keep fit refers to maintaining physical fitness and overall health through regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle. It involves engaging in activities such as running, swimming, weightlifting, or yoga, and eating a balanced diet to keep the body healthy and in good shape. By keeping fit, individuals can improve their strength, endurance, flexibility, and overall well-being, as well as reduce the risk of developing health problems such as obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. Operate. Operate means to perform surgery on someone. It involves cutting into the body to treat a medical condition or injury. A surgeon typically performs an operation in a hospital or surgical center using various surgical tools and techniques. Before the operation, the patient is usually given anesthesia to numb the body and prevent pain during the surgery. After the operation, the patient is monitored closely by medical professionals to ensure a successful recovery.